So I'm going to show you how to download and install a font on your own Mac. And it will be somewhat similar if you're using a different computer, but I've got a Mac, so I'm going to show you how to do it on that. I've gone to the League of Movable Type, which, as they say here, is an open source font foundry, and what that means is that you can use these fonts, which are beautifully made, on basically any project, whether it's a personal or a commercial project. You can do pretty much anything with them except for sell them. So I'm going to scroll down the catalogue here. You can have a quick look at them. I am going to choose League Spartan. And this is League Spartan here, and you can put your own text in if you want to see what it looks like. So I particularly like the slope of these letters, the way they add a little bit of interest, and I'm going to use this for my logo. So you can move around here and see all the different versions of it: black, extra bold, bold, semi-bold, medium, regular, and the whole way down to extra light. So I am going to, for the moment, go with the bold for the purpose of showing you how to download this. And I'm going to click bold there and then download. And you see it downloading inside up there into the corner of my computer. So that's the download done, and next I'm going to show you how to install it. I'm going to look for my font book, open up my font book, and basically just drag and drop the folder, and it will install itself. And there we have it. League Spartan is installed on my computer, and it will show up in all my programs. It will show up in my Word documents, my Illustrator documents, and it will show up in every piece of software that's installed on my computer. So that's it, and thank you very much to the League of Movable Type for all their beautiful fonts. And let me know down in the comments if you've got any questions. Thank you.